Zuzu, are you sleeping? Hello, I'm talking to you. Zuzu, I'll tell you one more time, wake up now.
Dad, I'd like to sleep another 5 minutes.
Zuzu, we're in math class. I'm not your dad.
Oh, sorry. Good morning, Mr. Corns.
Good morning, Zuzu. Why do you sleep in school? Please come to me after the lesson, Zuzu.
Okay, Mr. Corns.
The others can take a break. Zuzu, please stay here. Zuzu, please come to me. Zuzu, why are you sleeping in our class?
I don't want to tell you.
Do you find class boring, Zuzu?
No, there is another reason.
Then please tell me about it. We have lessons.
I can't tell you.
Good then. I'll have to call your parents.
No, please don't.
I need to do that. I'm your teacher. Please take a break now.
Okay, Mr. Corns.
Hello, Mrs. Siha. This is Mr. Corns, Zuzu's Myanmar teacher.
Good morning, Mr. Cons. Why are you calling me?
Can you come to school for a minute? Today? I'd like to talk to you about Zuzu.
Yes, of course. Is everything okay? I'm worried.
It's best we talk about it in person.
I'll be with you in a minute. I'm going to school right away. I hope Zuzu is doing well. This is where the school is. I need to hurry.
Mom, what are you doing here?
Your teacher, Mr. Cons, would like to talk to me. Is everything okay with you, Zuzu?
I think Mr. Corns doesn't like me.
I'll talk to him. Wait here.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Hello, Mr. Cons.
Hello, Mrs. Siha. Thank you for coming.
What has happened? Yuzu says you don't like her.
What? Of course, I like Zuzu. That is not the problem.
What is the problem?
Zuzu fell asleep in class. Today,
But that is strange. We put you to bed early.
please talk to Zuzu again.
I'll do that. Thank you for the help, Mr. Cons. Honey, did you get Zuzu to bed on time yesterday?
Yes, of course. Why are you asking?
Because she fell asleep in class today.
Oh dear. I have a confession to make.
What has happened?
I watched another series with Suzu yesterday. It was very late.
That shouldn't happen again.
It won't, I promise. I'm going to put Zuzu to bed now. Zuzu, I need you to go to bed early today.
Can't we watch an episode?
Okay, one episode. Nothing more. Who is to blame for Zuzu's lack of sleep? A. Your mother. B. Your father. C. Your teacher.